Good morning, dear friends, and welcome once again to Wacky Wednesday. I come from Mumbai, the magical Mumbai of magical monsoons. Yes, after a sweltering hot summer, when the cooling showers come, it creates so much excitement. Everybody goes out and gets drenched in the rain. My childhood memories are filled with me and dad getting drenched in the rain, standing in the exploding surf of the waves at Worli Sea Face, and then coming home to a hot cup of masala chai with khekda bhaji or pakode as we call it in Mumbai. Yes, dear friends, this masala chai is unique during monsoons because mums know that after getting drenched and cold in the rain, you're going to catch a cold or have a lot of body ache. So mums in India during monsoons add this herb, yes, this herb to the tea along with ginger and black pepper sometime. Can anybody guess what this herb is? Well, it is found in the baskets of the Vasai Valis or the farmer market ladies in the little markets along the roads in Mumbai. Yes. Well, this herb, we call it Pati Chaha in Mumbai. It's only when I flew out of Mumbai and came to live in Singapore and started doing my grocery shoppings in NTUC, Sheng Siong, Wet Market, that I discovered that this leaf, my Pati Chaha, had another side to it. Yes, it had a stem and a root, the lemongrass as we call it here in Singapore. It is here that I realize that this lemongrass, when you pound its stem, releases this fragrance which makes the Thai curries and the Southeast Asian curries so fragrant and nice. Yes, this is an aromatic healer. It helps not only to take care of the achy joints and pains, but also to banish the colds and flus away. This herb is used as an essential oil with certain base oil to rub and massage your achy, painful joint. That's why when you enter a spa, there is the enchanting fragrance of lemongrass. Lemongrass is also a diuretic. In the sense, it takes away the extra fluid out of your body. Hence, it is a great friend of blood pressure patient. And for blood pressure patient, it has dual effect. In the sense, it lowers even the cholesterol, which is usually high in most blood pressure patients. So can you see, no need to pop in pills, just have fragrant aromatic lemongrass tree, but do consult your doctor before you do this. Lemongrass is a great remedy for cancer. One of my friend, Betty Koo, has written a book which is very famous called Cancer Prevented and Cured Naturally. She has dedicated an entire chapter just to lemongrass. Now, you see, lemongrass is the beloved of all human beings. But somebody out there hates lemongrass, the mosquitoes. Yes, the mosquitoes just don't like the fragrance of lemongrass. In that sense, lemongrass is a great mosquito repellent and can keep malaria and dengue away. So wise gardeners plant lemongrass closer to homes in the porch so that the mosquitoes will not come in. But don't worry if you don't have garden. All you need is a little pot. So next time you go to the supermarket and buy this stem, check if it has little roots. Then put it in a bowl of water or a glass of water near the sunlight. After some time, it will start rooting, which means it will get roots. Then transfer it into a pot. Lemongrass needs sunlight and water once in a way. You'll have a luxuriant grass growing right there in your little balcony or even in the common balcony of your HDB. This is a great healing herb. It also helps young girls, pubertal girls, or girls who need to get menstrual period at a great speed. Hence, it is sometimes to be used with caution in pregnancy because there is not enough evidence about the use or about, let's say, the negative effects of using this herb during pregnancy. On that note, dear friends, I'm going to tell you, it was my wings which took a flight, landed me in Singapore, and connected me with my root, yes, albeit of a lemongrass plant. On that note, today happens to be the Swatantrata Divas or Independence Day of my beloved Janmabhoomi. I take this opportunity to wish my Janmabhoomi a Shubha Swatantrata Divas. Ma Tujhe Salam, Vande Mataram.